going to be keep building our Cardlet application. So we're going to continue with this upload a CSV file to create a new set. It's really important that we do one of the CSV video because CSV is one of the most common data formats that you will be using. So it's important to see how it works. So as you can see, this has some simple key and definitions, right? Which is the most random thing I came up with. Google, Microsoft, College Board, Reddit, and Avogadro's Law. I just copied the first sentence from its Wikipedia page. So let me just download as a CSV, like that. And then in here, we can do this. So let's go to here, and in here we're gonna write that. So we're gonna say the name of the set. How do I call it in model? So title, okay. So title. The title is request post title. Okay, and then we'll do that. Let's actually not do anything yet. So let's just refresh the page. Right, hi. I'm gonna just drag and drop it here. Okay. Key and definition. Okay. So we're gonna skip the first row. We're gonna write that. Otherwise, we're gonna do that. Good. And then I need that. So if we didn't skip, then the order is going to be, so yeah, we need a order variable. So that's a 0. Order. The word will just be row bracket 0, definition 0, bracket 1. And they're going to do row plus plus, or not plus plus, plus equals 1. Weird Python doesn't have plus plus, that's the thing. And then finally here we're going to do that. So this row, probably there's a better way. We're going to skip the header row. I'm not sure if there's a way to do that using CSV Reader. Pretty sure there is, but for now we're just going to do it like that. Okay, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to return it. There we go. Okay, let's refresh the page. And then I'm just going to say most random set possible. Let's see if we get an error. Cannot assign set.user. Okay. Do we have the basic auth route yet? Yeah, oh, okay. So we're going to use, I guess, the admin then. I hope that's the password. Okay, perfect. Right. Yeah, whatever. Right, slash new upload. Just don't save it. Most random set possible. int object is not iterable. It's not row plus equals 1. It's order plus equals 1. But the rest should be fine, at least I hope. Okay, perfect. So that's the most random set possible. Oh. Yeah, this is going to be a problem we have to fix. We can increase the width a little bit. Not a little bit, we can increase the width by like a lot. Yeah. Let's do that. So. Alright, let's go to, so that's going to be in the view set, the set diagram. So flip card. There must be some setting the width. Okay, let's set the width to 600. And then we need to set the font size a little bit smaller. Oh, it's H1. Huh. Okay. So let's change that to paragraph. Okay, no, the title want to be H1 still. Okay. It looks really ugly, but I mean, this works. Okay, perfect. So I guess the next step we'll be building is we're gonna build some of the interface, like the actual learning interface to these flashcards. So I think the first thing we'll do is get rid of both of you. That's not necessary. So I guess the first thing we'll be building is a learn interface. Let me show you one of the quiz. Let's see. So I guess just search chemistry, right? So if I have that out, so you can see there's a learn option, which we're going to be building first. So we click on learn. What that gave us is give us an interface like this. So it asks us what's the number of neutron protons in the nucleus. That's the atomic. That's a mass number. As you can see, I already failed. Despite I literally took chemistry last year. Number of proton. That's atomic number. If my chemistry teacher is watching this video, she will be really glad I still retain all these knowledge. All right. Same. That's a isotope. Anyway, so as you can see, that's how it goes. But so we'll have MC or multiple choice, and then the second thing it will have is then you have to type the key. So I think that's what we'll be building first. So let's go ahead and create a new route. And the harder part will be storing users' progress, because we don't want them to really just redo it every time, right? Because we need to be able to save it. See, if I refresh, what's I think supposed to happen is it should save. Well, it saves a round. So I guess after complete each round, we can save which word they did. Something like that. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we have 5 terms here, right? Google, Microsoft, College Board, Red, and Avogadro as well. So in here, let's see, what's the best way for us to start? Maybe we should start by coming up an order first. So basically, what order do we want them to start learning? So like, because these words are all random, so we want to have like these random word. Okay, I guess here's what we'll do. So we'll limit to 7 each time. So for each round. Okay. So, but what happens if we have 5? Well, then after they did all of the multiple choice, and the 2 will be the short answer. That's assuming they didn't get it wrong. If they get it wrong, it's still going to be at the stack, sort of. So I think the best way for us to do this is probably to do it at the front end. Okay. So I guess the first thing we'll be building is going to see the definition. So you're going to try to replicate this. The actual definition. And then in here, you're going to have 4 options. Probably buttons. Okay. So like that. Okay, all right. So let's go to the learn. Right. Okay. So we want to fit in a container clearly. And then we're going to have buttons. And then we're probably going to have H1A. So we're probably going to force them to at least have 4 cards in order to study. So A. I can say option. A, B, C, and D. So, and each of them need a line break. Maybe 2. Okay. All right. So let's see. All right. So now I think we would use fetch probably. So we're gonna see if we have existing. Is there anything that we have run with JSON? Okay, we use a JSON. I'm probably using this set, not gonna lie. Is that absolutely necessary? If request.get. So we're gonna do that. If we don't provide a order, then that's just gonna give us everything. Okay, so set JSON is not find for some reason. Oh, okay. So set.id is not defined. Is that which makes sense? Do that. Now it's defined. Okay. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now I have a oh. Is that even oh, didn't give the right set. Oh yeah, I need to at least say set equals set, right? You're probably yeah. So if you're writing code for like actually real stuff, you probably don't want to define a variable like set in Python because set is like a default variable. Or not default, it's for the set type. So probably don't want to do that. Anyway, so we got a couple error. That's not okay. None of them are real errors. Then data comes with a log data. I don't see any data though. Oh, I'm not on the right page. Huh. No wonder. Okay, so that's not good. It's not giving us all the all maybe? It's not giving us everything. Is that seriously it? Okay, just to make sure. I suppose in here I'll do another dot log data dot objects dot keys. Okay, so let's do data dot keys. Data dot keys is not a function. Is it a method? Is it an attribute? Doesn't make sense. Oh, never mind. I'm writing JavaScript. Obviously, it doesn't make sense. Okay, it's undefined. Okay. Let's see. Just do data bracket something. Let's do bracket Microsoft, because I know Microsoft is the data, right? So it should be properly defined here. Okay. So, oh, that's not what. Okay, so it didn't properly save yet. So we're just gonna figure out a way to do it probably. So it's undefined. Okay. So now that's confirmed. So what's the problem now? Oh. Okay. Oh, that's our problem. We only return the first thing. Ugh. That's not good. Okay, looks like use that. Let's do that. That has to be placed here. Let's see what we get now. Errors. Okay, so that means you got internal server error because it's something. say this. Okay, and that's kind of scaring me. It's not even a dictionary. It's a list? Don't tell me it's a list. Okay. No, it's a list. Okay, that works. Oh, why didn't I just do this? Yeah, this works good. Okay. Anyway, so now we have that. So we have to figure out where our current round's gonna be. So we're gonna store in a dictionary. Here. So in here, I think we'll store dictionary. So that's a primary key. So primary key gonna map to a int, and the int can either be a 0, that means we didn't do anything, right? So MC not completed. So MC not complete. Multiple choice. 1 means MC complete. Okay. 2 means MC wrong. 3 means short. 3 means fill in complete. 4 means fill in wrong. 5 means completed. Both stage. Right? So we can do something like that. Okay. So that's all that I have for this video, actually. So I had to stop this video now, but we did get some good places. Get to a good place to stop. So next video, we're gonna actually implement the logic using JavaScript, and I'm probably gonna send it back to the server using fetch for Python ? But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That was me out.